Hello, tech aficionados. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we unravel the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we have a nifty accessory that's perfect for those always on the move, the ProtoArc XK01 folding wireless portable keyboard. Stay tuned as we explore this versatile keyboard designed for productivity on the go. First things first, let's dive into the design and build of the ProtoArc XK01. The XK01 features a folding full-size design with 105 keys, including a number keypad. Its dimensions are 15.19 by 4.68 inches when unfolded. But what's truly impressive is how it balances stability with portability. The non-slip pads at the bottom keep it steady on any surface, making it perfect for typing on the go. Constructed with a sturdy aluminum frame, this keyboard is not only durable but also resistant to bumps and wear and tear. Now, let's explore the connectivity and functionality of this portable keyboard. One standout feature is its ability to sync with up to 3 devices simultaneously. Thanks to Bluetooth 4.0, you can easily switch between your laptop, tablet, smartphone, or any other compatible device. Typing on the ProtoArc XK01 is a delight, thanks to its scissor switches that offer quiet and responsive low-profile keys. Say goodbye to disruptive typing noises. Built in with a 210 mAh battery, this travel keyboard can stand by for up to 5 months on a single charge. Plus, it comes with a Type-C charging cable for your convenience. Fold it up, and it becomes incredibly compact at 8.46 by 4.68 by 0.78 inches, easily fitting into your briefcase or laptop bag. Take it with you anywhere, whether you're on a plane, at a cafe, or in a library. Wondering how to connect and switch between devices? It's a breeze. Just unfold the keyboard to power it on, fold it to power it off. Then, single press to choose BT1, long press for 3 to 5 seconds to enter pairing mode, and connect it to your devices via Bluetooth. Switching between devices is as simple as a short press on BT1, BT2, or BT3 buttons. Versatility is the name of the game with the ProtoArc XK01. Unfold it, and the smart hinges ensure it stays flat on your desk or even on your lap. You can type comfortably in various settings, from cars to cafes and libraries. When it comes to size, it's perfect for travel, with open dimensions of 15.19 by 4.68 by 0.48 inches and folding dimensions of 8.46 by 4.68 by 0.78 inches. Wherever you go, the XK01 folding Bluetooth keyboard can be your trusty companion for work and productivity. But wait, there's more. Pair it with ProtoArc's EM01 RGB wireless trackball mouse for an adjustable angle and comfort. Or, choose the EM11 RGB Bluetooth vertical mouse for an ergonomic, fatigue-reducing experience. To wrap it up, the ProtoArc XK01 folding wireless portable keyboard is a fantastic accessory for anyone seeking on-the-go productivity without compromising comfort and performance. If you found this review helpful and are considering adding this versatile keyboard to your setup, please hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights and recommendations. Have you used a folding keyboard before? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, tech enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews coming your way. Until next time, stay productive and stay tuned with Product Critique.